This video is for all my people who is tired of the BS of all these companies selling us products full of chemicals and toxic products and slapping the word natural on it thinking that we're dumb. We all know they're messing up our skin, our hair, our nails, and our health, and we are over it. If you're like me on your own healing journey, learning more about how powerful plants can really be, then this video is for you because we're going to be healing just like our ancestors used to do it. Real simple, real, and I just want to bring this culture and this lifestyle back. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own non-toxic skincare and hair care products that are actually going to support your body and not hurt it. Let's get into it because you deserve better. So I'm going to go over some key ingredients in some of my products and just give you a little bit more information as to why I'm using them, the benefits, and why they're good for you. But if you want to skip over that and go straight into the recipe, just fast forward a little bit. Jojoba oil is literally a star in my holistic skincare journey just because of the multiple benefits of this amazing ingredient, and it's so powerful. And one of the main things that I love is that it closely mimics our skin's natural oils, making it really incredible for nourishing and balancing for all skin types, which I really do appreciate. And I love how it's deeply moisturizing and penetrates, but it doesn't clog our pores, leaving our skin soft and nourished. And honestly, it's just so amazing. It's rich in nutrients like vitamin E, B, and essential fatty acids that help support our skin repair and rejuvenation, as well as antibacterial and antifungal. So it's going to help fight acne causing bacteria and soothe skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. And I love that it's a natural preservative because it has a long shelf life and can help extend the life of other oils in my products, which I really appreciate. And just overall, it helps with inflammation. It's great for sensitive skin. It's going to help strengthen my skin barrier and help heal wounds, scars, and sunburns all naturally, which I really appreciate. And of course, it's moisturizing, especially if you want to incorporate this into your hair care products and just really making sure that you're promoting hair growth and moisturizing your scalp without making it feel too greasy. Just like jojoba oil, castor oil is a deeply hydrating and healing oil that's going to be perfect for your products. Castor oil is actually known as the holy grail for promoting hair growth and thickening your hair. It's going to increase blood circulation to your scalp and encourage stronger, thicker hair growth and reducing breakage. So this is going to be great for your lashes, your brows, your scalp. And if you suffer from dry skin, this is going to be perfect because it draws moisture into your skin and hair, making it excellent for cracked heels, chapped lips, split ends, dry skin, all that. It's also going to be great for people with eczema, psoriasis, and skin issues of that nature because it helps soothe irritated skin and inflamed skin. And it also helps fight off bacteria and fungal infections on the skin and scalp. So it's great for acne and dandruff. One of my favorite things, hands down, is shea butter. It is so moisturizing. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin A, E, and F. So it's going to give you that intense hydration and lock in moisture. It's also going to help soothe irritated skin. So this is great, again, for eczema, psoriasis, rashes, and sunburns. And girl, it boosts collagen production. And we all know we're trying to stay young forever. So it's going to help support your skin elasticity and help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and stretch marks. And because of the healing compounds in shea butter, it's going to be great for healing wounds, scars, and minor cuts, as well as nourishing your hair and your scalp. It's going to help moisturize your dry, brittle hair and soothe that itchy scalp. So it's great for leave-in conditioners and hair masks and curl creams. And even with it being rich and creamy, it's generally safe for most skin types and can be used on the face and body without clogging your pores, which I don't know about you guys, but I suffer from acne, so that is super important to me. So very similar to shea butter, cocoa butter is basically like its sister. It's super rich and nourishing and deeply moisturizing, which is going to help improve your elasticity, fade scars, stretch marks, and it's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. So it's going to protect and heal your dry or damaged skin and add a smooth, luxurious shine. It also has like a natural chocolate scent and thick consistency, so it's going to be perfect like for body butters, lip balms, and hair treatments. So I am definitely an essential oil girly, especially once I learned more about the toxic chemicals in a lot of perfumes and air fresheners and things of that nature. And the thing that I love about essential oils is that it's not just about smelling good. They actually bring real healing properties and good vibes to your skin and your hair care essentials, from fighting bacteria to calming your mind and having healing properties. Essential oils basically just give your product a little bit more of a powerful, purposeful kick because of the healing ingredients in these oils. First recipe is going to be a body butter that's going to hydrate, soothe, and nourish your skin from the inside and out. And because we're using essential oils, it's going to smell amazing. For full recipe details, check the description down below for my link. This recipe serves as a base, so you can just use it as inspiration and use any other type of oil, essential oil for different fragrances, and just kind of make it your own. But this alone is very nourishing and something that I use a lot, especially out the shower. So everyone is obsessed with getting glass skin, and this is how you're going to get it with this one ingredient rice toner. And it's a gentle but powerful way to hydrate, tone, and brighten your skin naturally. And rice has been used for centuries, especially in a lot of Asian and Korean cultures, as natural medicine and in a lot of their skincare products. This is because rice is packed with a lot of vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids that help even out your skin tone, reduce your dark spots, and support a healthy skin barrier. So it's going to be perfect for all skin types, especially sensitive or dull skin. And it's going to give your face that clean, refreshed, and glow without those harsh chemicals that are found in most traditional toners. So this rice toner is going to help brighten your skin, fade dark spots, calm irritation, and balance out the oils in your skin, of course without the toxic chemicals. And this is something that I like to use either early in the morning because I don't like to wash my face in the morning, or right after I wash my face at night and right before I'm about to put on any type of serums or moisturizers or anything like that. So one thing that I have to say is that skincare is not just about what you're putting on top of your body, but definitely what you're putting in and what you're eating and drinking, because that's ultimately the biggest tip when it comes to having good skincare. And even throughout my journey of just trying to get rid of my acne, I've definitely noticed after going plant-based and just minimizing processed foods and sugars and things like that has definitely helped my skin. And even though it's not 100% clear, I feel so proud of where I'm at today because I've come a long way, and I just know that just including things like this that are non-toxic and healing from the outside is only going to add to the final result. So as you can see, rice is very beneficial for your skin and your hair, and I wanted to show you how I just put it in my hair for a little mask. I was going to do a little bit of Bible study, so I thought it would be a perfect time just to kind of leave it sitting in while I do that and then rinse it off when I was finished. So the reason why this is also going to be a great hair mask is because, like I said, rice is packed with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to help strengthen your hair from the root and also reduce breakage and promote growth. The blended rice adds a little gentle exfoliation to your scalp, helping to remove buildup and boost circulation, which in all just helps support a healthier hair growth. Plus, the nutrients are going to help smooth the hair cuticles, leaving your hair softer and shinier and less frizzier. However, I will say make sure that you are really rinsing and scrubbing your hair and making sure that the mask gets out, because if you leave it in, it can make your hair a little sticky and kind of like stiff. Once I put it everywhere in my hair, I just grabbed a plastic bag and put it on top of my head to kind of hold the residual heat coming off of my scalp. Honestly, this is really Puerto Rican because we don't own shower caps. We just use plastic bags. And then I just kept it on for, I don't know, I Bible studied for about an hour before taking it off. Once I rinsed it off, I just went to bed, so I really didn't show how my hair looked because it was wet and I didn't have time for that. It was already super late. So aloe and cucumber are always going to be my go-tos when it comes to a quick facial. Aloe is really good for your face because it's deeply hydrating without clogging your pores. It helps irritated or inflamed and acne-prone skin, and it's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants, so it's going to help repair and nourish your skin, supporting your skin barrier and promoting that healthy glow. And cucumber is basically just water, so it's super hydrating. It's naturally soothing, so it's going to calm the irritation, puffiness, redness, and it's also packed with antioxidants and vitamins, so it's going to help keep that refreshed, brightening look and tighten your pores and balance out oils. So all I do is cut it up and then leave it in the freezer and then rub it on my face when I need it, especially in the morning. This is a great way to wake up and kind of reduce the puffiness. And when I'm feeling fancy for like a spa day, or I'm doing skincare routine, or maybe if I feel like my face is inflamed or like a pimple coming on or just some sort of irritation. So to make your own perfume, all you're going to need is a carrier oil and essential oil that you'd like. A carrier oil is a neutral plant-based oil that is used to dilute essential oils before applying it to your skin. Essential oils are super concentrated, so it's going to be a little too strong just to put directly on your skin, so that's why we use a carrier oil. And some popular options can include jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, or a coconut oil. And of course, you can use whatever essential oils that you like. This mixture together is going to make the perfect natural perfume because it's clean, gentle on the skin, and long lasting. You can pair it with your favorite essential oils to make your own personalized fragrance that not only is going to smell really good, but also offer therapeutic benefits like calming your mood, boosting your focus, uplifting your energy, all without the toxins that are usually found in traditional perfumes. So I kind of like smells that are sweet, but also like super refreshing. So I ended up using vanilla, bergamot, and frankincense. But to be honest, this is where your preference comes into play, your creativity, and kind of like what vibe you're going for. So totally up to you. So I got into essential oils really heavy a couple months ago, and just learning more about them. There are so many different options and different things that they do for you, different scents. And honestly, I can get lost in the sauce. And some of the places where I like to get them are like at little local markets or at Sprouts. They have a selection. Sometimes at Whole Foods they'll have them. And to be honest, any like type of health or medicinal herbal place will usually have them. This perfume is oil based, and that's kind of what helps it last longer. But let's say you wanted to spray it on your clothes, you can use this same type of method, but just switch out the oil for an infused water like rose water, thyme water, something like that, so that you can still have your perfume and maybe feel more comfortable spraying it on clothes or whatever. So this hair oil that I made is a combination of things that I already had in the house, and they are very beneficial, so it's a good base to start. But do not limit yourself to this video. There are so many different types of oils for your hair that are good for strengthening, nourishing hair growth, and things of that nature. So do your research on top of this, but this is going to give you a good base of kind of like what to put together. Whatever oil you decide to make, I definitely recommend using rosemary essential oils because rosemary has been used for centuries to promote hair growth, healthy scalp, and strong strands. Along with the rosemary oil, I also use tea tree essential oil because it's going to help cleanse and soothe your scalp, as well as promote healthy hair and balance out oil production. Having your blend ready to go is so beneficial, especially when you get out the shower or you want to do a hot oil treatment. It's just boop boop and you're done. Hopefully this video was very informative. Let me know if you want a part 2, but just know that this health and wellness journey is just that. You don't change overnight, and you just learn and grow as you go, which is why I try to share my lifestyle and give you guys tips and advice and show you what I eat and recipes so that you can implement these same things into your life. I post content like this on my Instagram, I share recipes and vlogs on YouTube, and I also have resources down in my description below so that you can have your very own digital download to kind of guide you step by step on what to eat, what to do, meal plans, lifestyle ideas and tips and things of that nature. I actually have been working on my website for almost 5 months and just finished it. So if you guys want to get more in detail about what I can offer you, also check out my website at Vegannay.com, and I'll see you guys next week.